As Guyana joined the celebration with the rest of the world in World Migratory Bird Day 2012. This year, Migrant Bird Day will be celebrated on the 12th and the 13th of May, where the Guyana Amazon Tropical Bird Society will be sharing a few info about our program with migrant birds in Guyana. My name is Andy Narain, founder of the Guyana Amazon Tropical Bird Society and field specialist and vice president of the Guyana Amazon Tropical Bird Society. Our society has been conducting survey across Guyana on migrant birds. There's two sets of migrant species entertain themselves in Guyana. We have neotropic migrant, comes from up north, and we have austral migrant, come from deep south Amazon. Our society were fortunate to work with international organizations such as Audubon Society, who supported us to work with them on our first aerial survey on our coastline of Guyana between Suriname and Venezuela. There's 284 miles of coastline, and we had a chance to do an aerial survey. In just over 4 hours, we were happy to record 26,779 individual birds across our coast. This survey assists us as we progress on recording migrant birds in Guyana. We were able to identify areas that are very important to show birds and entertainment of large population of birds in Guyana. One of the species is called red nuts, one of the longest flying migrant bird in the world. Red nuts, they feed along the Patagonia coast, deep south of South America, and they entertain themselves on the way going and on the way coming back up to north, where they will breed in the tundra. Guyana is putting a lot of conservation effort to monitor and manage our birding industry and our birding population that fluctuate throughout our country. Our society has been working with the government of Guyana, BirdLife International, Wetlands International, and other international organizations to monitor and manage our bird population that inhabits as well our resident species in Guyana. Guyana is known for 877 species of bird recorded for Guyana, belonging to 79 families, 116 water bird, 121 neotropic migrant, which in the 27 austral migrant as well. The only endemics are endemic between Guyana, Suriname, and French Guyana, as known as the Guyana Shield endemics, and there's 47 endemics between the Guyana Shield, as well we have endemic to the taproos between Guyana, Venezuela, and Brazil in the flat top mountain, where 26 taproos endemic has been recorded in that area. Our capital city recorded over 280 species of bird. Where our first bird sanctuary is in our capital city, 178 square acres entertain 199 species of birds recorded in this little park. This park provides breeding ground, feeding ground, entertainment for species and roosting site for migrants as well as resident species across Guyana. The Guyana Amazon would like to encourage people to support bird conservation, where birds play a vital role in our country to provide us with data scientifically, recreation activities, as well as a development industry as well. So, for the Guyana Amazon Tropical Bird Society, we would like to say it was really a pleasure to reaching out to you, to giving you an inside view about our work that we've been doing in the Guyana Amazon Tropical Bird Society, recording birds across Guyana. Our society will be here to support on any data that requested by any organization or education or scientific info. You could contact us, and our email is GATBS@yahoo.com, or you can call us at 225-2190, where members of the Guyana Amazon Tropical Bird Society research team and executive member will be available to support any data request. Our society will be here to support you. It was a pleasure to be in with you, to share our work as what we are doing in Guyana, and we're happy to share it with you and the world and our other IBA partners in the Americas that are part of the migrant program to promote and conserve and protect our migrant birds while they're passing or feeding in Guyana. Nice being with you.